Hey guys, it's Jesse from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Arctic Fox 27.5L. And you take a look on the outside here, this one has the levelers and it has the encased awning on this. Come on inside, we're going to take a look at the inside. Okay guys, on the inside here, when you come inside, you're going to notice in here you got a place to hang things. This pulls out on the inside. There's all your switches in here for your light, your awning light on the inside. Inside you got your TV on this wall. And as you come around, you got the stereo, you got your refrigerator. This is a rear kitchen, so you have the kitchen across the back with all the cabinets and the skylight above the kitchen. This one has the ducted AC with LED lights through the top and your speakers. Big slide with a freestanding dinette. You got your nice Thomas Paine over here, your nice your recliners. And when you come on up the hall here, it's nice and open in here going into the bathroom. Your bedroom's up front. Fantastic vents in the front and the back. Hey guys, thanks for taking a look today. There's so many things we go over on this unit. My number's on the screen there, and give me a call on my cell phone, which is 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.